Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from AGL, Avantika Gas Limited, a joint venture company of GAIL and HPCL. When you will go to the official website of AGL, here you can see the detailed advertisement for the post of FTC engineer, OM and FTC engineer, this one. So when you will click here, you can just see the detailed advertisement. So let's go through with this one. So details of vacancy here mentioned. So first of all, they are having post is FTC engineer, operations and maintenance. Upper age limit will be 30 year. Yeah, relaxation is there up to the 6 year. It is mentioned minimum experience is fresher can also eligible here. The fixed pay scale 4.02 lakh per annum. Number of vacancies are 9. Who can apply? If you are having BE taken any of the discipline, you are eligible here with minimum 60% marks. Same here in this post also, where they are talking about health, safety and environment quality. The pay scale will be same. Number of vacancies are 2 and B Tech in any discipline with minimum 60% marks are eligible here. Now, one thing it is mentioned clearly that preference will be given to the candidates having experience of oil and gas sector. So they will have some preference here. Okay. Now the note is mentioned here that this is a fixed term contract basis job. So the appointment is purely temporary for a fixed period of 2 years. After the expiry of period, contract shall be terminated or it may be extended up to the 1 year. So based on the requirement and candidate's performance also. Okay. So this is the first thing. Now roles and responsibility, it is mentioned. You can check it out. What will be the position or what will be the responsibilities you will have here. Other than this, here we can see terms and condition also mentioned here, how to apply. Okay, and essential experience also mentioned here. So first of all, only full-time regular courses will be considered here. This shall include class 10th and 12th examination also. All diploma, graduation and post graduation also minimum essential qualification is required here. It is mentioned in below, you can just check it out. All the minimum qualification should be there. Okay, you can see this one in industrial, vocational or apprentice training will not be considered as an experience. Now what is the important thing, placement and assignment, it is mentioned here how to apply and what is the last date. So that is, first of all, the recruitment process. So for this one, in both the positions they will have online interview will be conducted after shortlisting of applications. So once you will apply, they will shortlist you. Okay, I think on the basis of your experience or on the basis of your marks also, engineering marks or up to the 10th 12th marks also. So then they will shortlist you for the interview. Online interview will be there. How to apply, this is the procedure which is clearly mentioned. Please read the detailed advertisement before applying and then you need to go this one and you can apply. And there is no application fees also for applying. There is no application fees, but number of vacancies are 11 only here. And what is the last date? So it's already started from the 1st August. The last date will be 21st August 2024. Last date and time for application received by email will be 21st August 2024. Dear students, for more details you can directly go to this one, www.aglonline.net. You can go to this website and you can check in the career section. You will have the detailed advertisement also again. Thank you.